Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. You should practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account using the strategies shared in my videos before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with a trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course it kept on going up and up, and it has gotten to this resistance zone. It was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend from there. That is why we have this red flag and the red arrow. So this is selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset will be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Boom 500 had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to the support zone 2 times. It was unable to break out from there, so it had a pullback, and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. It actually went on downtrend right from here till this very support zone, and of course it was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and of course it took the same direction just like crash 1000. Started a downtrend from the resistance zone, and of course it's kept on selling till it got to this particular support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it started buying right from there. So except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. But for now, it is giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, and since it's coming from the support zone, we expect more of a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75, which is volatility 75. Volatility 75 has been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course you can see the red flag, and this has been selling for a very long time, and this is actually buying at the moment because it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so it's just broke out from this trend line, and of course this will be buying for a very long time. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.